What's going on YouTube? John here, Bart's Bassin'. Got for you today another unboxing. This is gonna be Monsterbass's month of May regional box, okay? If you don't know what Monsterbass is, it's a subscription-based product, company that sends fishing tackle to your door, just like all the other ones out there, but it's more than just your typical subscription box, okay? I'll put the link down below to where you can find this out, but what Monsterbass does that's different from all the other ones is A, they're gonna put quality baits in your box, not like a lot of them where they just fill your box with baits that very, very poor quality or they're flashy. These baits are picked specifically by regional pros to catch fish, make your time on the water more enjoyable without wasting your money. So, without further ado, let's get into the box. All right, you'll get the first look. I got stuff falling out. All right, first up, they're continuing the Corona trend there. Pretty wicked little wicked bass there with a little face mask, pretty sweet. All right. You have here a little information card including all the prices of the baits picked for this box. All right, so I'll keep the information card right there so I have a reference. And what I'm gonna try to do with this video, now I'm not tech savvy yet with video recording, but I'm gonna try to keep all the prices here and we'll do a grand total. All right, this box is $35. All right, they're saying that you will get 45 to 50 bucks worth of baits, all right, for $35 a month. So let's put it to the test here. So first up, this is going to be by Sandbar Tackle, set of offset hooks, and it's got 3 different sizes in there. So you got 2 out, 3 out, and 4 out in there. So pretty unique. And that's going to go for $3. All right, for a 3-pack. All right, so next up is going to be by Stanley Jigs. This is a 1/2 ounce black and blue jig here. All right, flipping jig. Made in the USA, always a plus here on Bart's Bassin', and a hand-tied skirt. I can't tell you how important that is to have that hand-tied skirt. So over time, that rubber skirt keeper deteriorates and whatnot. With the hand-tied skirts, that's not going to happen. It's going to stay on there for years and years and years to come. So pretty cool. This jig retails for $4. All right, so next up by Bait Lab. This is a little crankbait here. This is the Ultimate Strike Shad, dives to 4 to 10 feet. All right, that 4 to 10 feet range is a big range, but that's gonna be depending on your line size. Don't ask me anymore, I do know that much, but I'm not a crankbait expert. All right, next up by Chase Baits. This is the Rip Snorter, retails for $12.50. All right, so what I do know about these guys is they're an Australian-based company, all right? They're trying to make their mark in the US. Pretty unique here. So instead of using a swivel, it's got a little snap deal that you can see down here at the bottom. So you can interchange these hooks out. It's got a little underspin there. It's a little swim bait style underspin, pre-rigged for you. So, I mean, it's definitely unique to the market. So I think it'd be good, especially small ponds, stuff like that. I think something like this would really excel. All right, next up by Booyah. We got a Buzzbait here. This retails for $8. Little Buzzbait deal. It's got a little sexy. Got a little sexy shad skirt there. Really unique head. All right, very, very unique. It's kind of like the Buzzbaits that I like have a bend in the arm and then has this keel style head. I don't like a bullet style head. I like the keel and it helps it just runs flat. I've never thrown this, but we'll definitely try it out. So I don't know if I said it before, but that retails for $8. All right, next up by Lunker Hunt. All right, so next up by Lunker Hunt. This is the Kraken. All right, retails for $5. Chatterbait deal there. All right, chartreuse and white skirt with a heavy flipping hook. I don't know if you can see it in there. Heavy flipping hook, 1/2 ounce. Very unique deal here. You can see there the blade and the head are one. And the hook is on a swivel, which makes that hook independent from the rest of the lure. And that's gonna help you when those fish jump and they're real aggressive. That's gonna help you maintain that fish without it slinging the bait out of the leg. So pretty cool. It's a good box, guys. Good box. Next up, by Strike King. This is the KVD Perfect Plastic Finesse Worm. Show you that right there. Here, we'll take one of these out for you. These retail for $5, and this is your old, your trusted, just floating worm there. This color specifically is dirt. All right. Good looking color, clear water. This is gonna really excel. Or if you have high, bluebird skies, high sun conditions, that could excel as well. So pretty cool there. So next up, by Rabid Baits. This is the Rabid Craw. Check that out there. All right. If you're not familiar with Rabid Baits, I did them in one of my unboxings, I think. They put feathers in their base. So this is in the appendages of the craw there. You can see just me holding it, how much action that's going to give it. So within the water, you're going to have current in the water. That's going to create a lot of action just sitting by itself there. Put this on a little Ned rig, and I think this would excel really good for those of y'all fishing a lot of rock bottoms, hard bottoms, or even you anglers who are fishing from ponds still. Stuff like this is going to work really good in a pond, because not only is a pond isn't exposed to fishermen every single day throwing the same stuff at them every day, but there's a lot more smaller fish in a pond. That's gonna, a bait like this will attract those fish. So pretty cool design there. Very unique, jam-packed box for the month of May. As you can see, total is more than the value that you paid for the box, which is what you're looking for. And you're looking for those quality baits that are gonna catch fish. And I truly believe I can catch fish with every single one of these baits. So if you just get one box, you can use promo code SAVE10, get 10% off your first purchase. You can go out there with just one box and go and catch some fish and have a great day in the water. All right, that's what it's all about. And it's also about learning new techniques. So pretty cool deal there. Also, Bass Hick, sold exclusively at Monsterbass. So check those out. They got hoodies, sun shirts, all sorts of stuff, all right? So hope you like this video. All the descriptions and everything will be linked down below. Please subscribe to the channel, and make sure you subscribe over to Monsterbass and get yourself at least one box. Try for 1 month, compare it to Mystery Tackle Box or Lucky Tackle Box or all the $1,900 tackle box subscriptions out there, and you'll find out why Monsterbass not only is the #1 box, but it is the best box. Hope you all enjoy this video, guys. Until next time.